Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create singing photos in TalkingPhotos AI. This is the new version 3 and the lip sync is hugely improved. So let's get down to it. So I'm logged into my TalkingPhotos account. This is the home page. Click on Create Video at the top. And you'll see this pop up. There are 6 options so far. And you can create talking, singing, and dancing photos. And I'll be creating separate tutorials for each of these. So I'll click on Singing V3. In step number 1, you need to choose a style. There are 3 options here. These 2 options are the same, that is close up. One of them is high quality and the other one is fast. And this one is with a music instrument. So I'll choose this one and then click on Next. In step 2, you need to choose the aspect ratio. You can create horizontal and vertical videos. I'll choose the vertical option, which is 9:16 aspect ratio. And then click on Create New Character. In step number 3, you generate the face. So I'll use this drop down and choose Male. And then I'll leave this as human. The other 2 options are 3D cartoon and animal. Next, in this box, I'll enter my image prompt. And down below, you can upload a character in order to maintain a consistent character. I'll click this button. I'll navigate to my folder on my computer. I'll choose my image and then click Open. So here is the uploaded image. And then I'll click on Generate. It will then start generating the consistent character. So just give it a few seconds while it does it. And here is the generated image. As you can see, it did a pretty good job. You can click this Regenerate button if you're not happy with the image, and then click Next. In step number 4, you need to choose the audio file. You can import your audio from your computer by clicking this Import Audio button. Or if you have CloneVoice AI, you can click this button and then import your music, which is what I'll do. I'll choose this one and then click Select. So here is the imported song. You can use this play button if you want to listen to it and then click Next. In the final step, you need to render the MP4 video. So give it a project name. And then click on Render Video. It'll then bring you to this page, and you can click on Go to My Videos, where you'll see the status of the video rendering. And then once completed, you can use these buttons to play, download, delete, and clone the project. And this one rendered in about 16 minutes. Now let me play the singing photo so you can see how it came out.
When the storm clouds gather high and I feel like I might break and cry, I know who holds my weary hand, the solid ground where I can stand. Jesus, you're the rock of ages now, my anchor when the waters bow. You are my strength, my everything true, Lord. All my hope is found in you. This world tries to pull me down deep, secrets that my heart tries to keep. But your light shines a guiding star above, covered always by your endless love. Jesus, you're the rock of ages now, my anchor when the waters bow. You are my strength, my everything true, Lord. All my hope is found in you.
So there you have it. You can get Talking Photos for a discounted price for a limited time. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.